Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so glad you're here with me today. Let's dive right into our word of the day. Today's word is aunt, a simple yet important word that's all about family. Aunt is a noun, and it means the sister of your parent. It's an A1 level word, which means it's perfect for those who are just starting to learn English or want to strengthen their basic vocabulary. Let's talk about how we use the word aunt in everyday life. If your dad has a sister, she is your aunt. If your mom has a sister, she is your aunt too. It's such a commonly used word when talking about family. For example, you might say, "My aunt is visiting us this weekend," or "I sent my aunt a birthday card." Now, let's explore some synonyms for aunt. While there aren't exact matches in casual or specific contexts, words like guardian or relative might be used if your aunt plays a bigger role in your life. For instance, my guardian took care of me when my parents were away. However, remember these words don't directly replace aunt. On the flip side, let's think about antonyms. An antonym for aunt could be uncle, which is the brother of your parent. For example, "My uncle is a great storyteller," highlights the difference between the two roles. These words help us understand family relationships more clearly. In daily life, aunt is a word you'll often use when talking about family gatherings, holidays, or special memories. Imagine saying, "My aunt makes the best cookies every Christmas," or "I love spending time with my aunt because she always tells funny stories." It's also common in expressions like, "Aunt Mary is like a second mom to me." To wrap things up, aunt is such a useful word when talking about family and relationships. Whether you're introducing someone to your aunt or sharing a fond memory, this word helps you communicate clearly and warmly. Thank you so much for joining me today on Hello Word. I hope you enjoyed learning about today's word. If you found this episode helpful, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others find the show. And here's a little challenge for you. Create your own sentence using the word aunt and share it in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, take care and keep learning.